In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show calendar within email view panel in Outlook 365. If you've ever wanted to glance at your schedule without leaving your inbox, this walkthrough will make that quick and reliable, whether you're using classic Outlook on the desktop, the new Outlook, or Outlook on the web. Let's start with classic Outlook, the desktop app. Make sure you're in your mail view, then go to the ribbon at the top and select the View tab. In the Layout group, you'll see an option called To Do Bar. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose Calendar. The calendar will appear on the right side of your email window. This view is designed to give you a compact look at your upcoming appointments while you read or compose messages. If you need more space for your email, clicking the same To Do Bar option again lets you toggle the calendar off later. Keep in mind, this is a quick reference panel. It complements, but doesn't replace, your full calendar view. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the process is even simpler. Look toward the top right corner of your Outlook window for a small calendar icon or the word Calendar. Clicking it opens your calendar in a side panel right next to your emails. This gives you immediate access to your day or upcoming events without navigating away from your inbox. It's a great way to check availability or confirm meeting times while drafting replies. There's also a fast, focused option available called My Day. In the new Outlook, you'll find the My Day button in the top right area. In classic Outlook, you'll find My Day from the View tab. Select My Day, and a panel will open on the side. Inside that panel, choose the Calendar tab to see your schedule alongside tasks. This is particularly helpful when you want a lightweight overview that pairs your time commitments with things you need to get done. You can leave My Day open as you work through your inbox, and switch back to email seamlessly. A couple of quick notes for clarity. The exact look of icons and labels can vary slightly with updates, and some organizations customize the ribbon or limit features. If you don't immediately see the options, double-check that you're in the mail view and that you're looking at the top ribbon or the top right controls, depending on your version. That's all you need to show your calendar right next to your emails in Outlook 365. Thanks for watching.